developments are I've gotten some new footwells in. So this is the piece of metal that goes right in the bottom here into the bottom of the footwell, because I've got an entire footwell piece which encompasses both the flat back portion and then also this side piece. This is still pretty good. I'm just gonna cut out a portion of this just so I don't have to worry about any of these seams here. I'm gonna cut out this guy kind of all around here, cut this out just so I've got one consistent piece, which will basically turn out to be this portion here as it wraps around and then up, and then over here. So I'm going to take this out and then probably, I don't know if I'll repurpose it for something, or yeah, basically the footwell itself is made for a older model Range Rover Classic. And so this piece here is pushed out. In the newer models, it's actually pushed in, and you can see the same situation right up in here. So it basically depresses out, and there's some electrics that go in behind a panel that gets set in. And then you can also see the push out here. So in order for me to not have to deal with that, I'm just gonna just cut a little piece out of the footwell itself and then pop her in. That looks so awesome. I cannot wait to put that in. So, here's what it looks like on the underside. Nice. All right, so now that I cut off that one little piece, all I have to do now is just trace along the outside of it. And then that'll give me a good indication. That'll give me a good indication as to where to make my final cut so that I can piece it in. And then I think I'm going to leave like an inch gap just so that I have some material to like weld against to. And then once I'm finished welding, I'm going to go back through and then do a seam sealer along the edge there so that no rainwater or debris and other things can get into the individual cracks and stuff. So. Looking fresh. Yeah, it looks great. Just painted the 2 rear tires. This one is finished, and then that one just needs to dry. I'm gonna take all the tape off now, just so I don't have any issues peeling it off or anything like that. So, but I think that looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. The overall color looks grayer than I thought it was gonna be, but I think it'll be, we'll see what it looks like when it dries. But yeah, I decided to do this today instead of working on what I need to be working on, just because I'm gonna do something that noticeably is making a visual difference in terms of the overall aesthetic of the project. Once the structure is handled, then I can actually really do some good interior changes on the inside.